Hi traders, this is Forex Nelson, and I'm back doing a wrap up for my trade today, and today is June the 28th. Now, I did not trade during the New York session, as today I was gone away all day today, and I came home, it was after 4 o'clock, and so I pulled up the charts just to check to see how my Asian trade. I put in 2 trades last night, the Euro New Zealand and the Pound New Zealand. I sold both of them. Now, one of them did not do all that great. It was only about 6 pips or so, the Pound New Zealand. But the Euro New Zealand, which is the one you're looking at, that one I took the trade around 7:30 last night. Got in right here at this cursor. Did go against me around 27 pips, 28 pips. And as I said, I actually did drill down the lights, and I saw that the higher time frames telling me it's going to go down. And sometimes you have to be patient and wait for it to go in the direction of the higher time frames. I ended up with 34 pips here. And of course the other trade only gave me 6 or 7 pips for $490, and the bigger move was the Euro New Zealand for 34 pips, so ended up with 27.88. And basically, for you traders who have a day job, you can certainly put in the trade during the in hindsight, I wish I got in around the goal line here or here, but I don't trade the London, and as I said, I was gone all day. So it is what it is, and I knew it was going to go down. It's just a matter of waiting until I got my 40 pips or so. And then I just closed out the trade really late, about 22:05. The market closes right here. You got to be out of the trade, as I tell everybody, before it hits 5 p.m. New York time. And I am using my latest newest system. It's called Mega Trigger. I really like it. If your system is not producing like this, I only do 1 or 2 trades, sometimes 3 trades a day, and you know, providing as long as they're winners, which it was again here. It was a waiting game, but I finally it finally paid off, as I knew it would eventually. And it more than likely will continue to go down, but I do not want to leave it over the weekend. I never leave any trades. Very rarely do I let it run past 5 p.m. and never on a Friday, because it can spike up or down, and I don't want to be caught in that type of price action. Now, if your system is not producing like my Mega Trigger's doing, or any of my trigger systems, all you got to do is get in touch with me, and to do so all you got to do is look right below this video, and you'll see this right up, the Mega Trigger System. I do charge $250 for it. Now you'll get an exact copy of my system on your MT4 platform, and there are 2 MT4 templates along with 8 custom indicators, and of course I give you my favorite currency meter. Now there are 101 PDF books, in other words a lot, and a lot of Word documents for you traders who like to read. Now there are 32 training videos that I did personally myself for the Mega Trigger System, and I throw in 9 bonus videos. Now most recently, in the past I would say about 6 weeks, I learned a new, easy, great way to trade, and I show many examples of it in 2 videos. They're at least 20 minutes long each one, where you can locate and find many trades during any of the 3 sessions, and with a high degree of accuracy, and it's a great, easy way to trade. I recommend that you watch these 2 videos numerous times. Now, not only that, there's a lot of other videos, and you can certainly read all through them here, how to trade all 3 sessions, and how to trade the goal line or the the 50 EMA, which is this one right here. And of course how to do pullbacks and reversals. So that's very handy to know how to trade reversals and the pullbacks. And another great one is for you traders who are trading that have a day job. I teach how you can come home after 4 or 5 o'clock and get in front of the charts for the Asian session, which is exactly what I did today. I traded the Asian session and I let it run through the London and through the New York. And that's how I ended up grabbing 41 pips total. I teach exactly how to do that. So if you want to learn all these secrets, all you got to do is get in touch with me. Very easy to do. Pick up the phone and call me, and or send me an email. And of course I do prefer Skype. And all you got to do is click on this link right here and we'll have direct contact, our Skypes, and through Skype I'll give you a free session which could last 45 minutes to an hour depending on how many questions you have. And of course if you're curious on to how many the trigger systems and what they look like, all you got to do is click on this link right here. And there's 19 triggers. The top 7 are my newest, latest additions. And of course, if you have any questions about that and or the don't forget the $1 million trade plan. I'm helping a bunch of traders. They're asking me like, how does that work? And basically you're only doing 1 trade a day, 20 trades a month, and all you're looking for is 10 pips. And today I got 41 pips. So it works great with any of my trigger systems. And that's where you can turn $1,000, and in 10 months you turn that into $1 million. So if you have a small account and you want to grow it quickly, this certainly, if you follow this plan, and if you're good at grabbing those 10 pips, then this is an excellent idea, this $1 million trade plan. So anyhow, that just about wraps up this video, as it's running late Friday afternoon and I have things to do. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trade, happy trading.